18x18 Hydemech S23A. Running in automatic mode with the shuttle vices. Speeding up the blade speed. Slowing down the blade speed. Increase the feed rate. Just wrap it down. See, the shuttle vices will move again to feed the piece. Front vice will clamp. Process of the down feed will begin.